Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Flip Diving application on Android device. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Flip Diving. In the search results displayed on the screen, click on this application from Motion Vault Games. Now tap on the install button to begin downloading Flip Diving for your Android phone and wait for the application to download and install. Soon after the app is downloaded, tap on the play button to launch open Flip Diving application on your Android phone. So that is how you will be able to download Flip Diving using your Android device in a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.